Today, I'd like to show you how you can do setup in Grace for making her a delivery virtual agent or assistant. So could be make her handling delivery updates, tracking information on the customer's orders. Now, I would like to take a use case today of a furniture store. So let's say we call this furniture store Scott's Furniture. Now, Scott Furniture has a delivery policy where they will drive out the furniture to the customer and carry it into the apartment or house. Let's say in a week they have many deliveries, but then of course sometimes it happens that customers set up a delivery, but then they're not there at the appointed time. So they have some failed deliveries each week. So because they have some failed deliveries every week, they usually need to call up the customer again or get in touch with them to appoint a new time where they can come and deliver the furniture. Now, what we will do today is we will make an outbound bot in Grace, and we will make her call up the customer again and tell them that we have failed the delivery, couldn't reach you. So would you like to book a new appointment for a date for delivery? Then she will book that appointment with the customer, and she will then save that information into the CRM of Scott's Furniture. What I will first do is I will go through the setup of what we have done, and then I will show you a demo afterwards of what this would look like in practice. For demonstration purposes, what we're using today for the CRM is a Google Sheet where we have a list of all the order numbers, the items, name of the customer, phone, and then the date we failed to deliver the item. Now, to use this Google Sheet in our case in GridSpace, we need to create a connector in GridSpace for communicating with Grace. So what we do is we share this Google Sheet first. We share it and we share with others. And we give her editor access, we copy the link, and we have then here created a connector, which we go into connectors and we create a new connector, and we call this Scott's Furniture delivery date, and this is basically the type is connect to Google Sheet, and we have pasted in the URL we just copied it in here. And what we want to do is to find a row in the spreadsheet and update session tags, because what we would like to do here is we want Grace to write in new delivery date or new delivery slot. Now this could be your CRM if you would like it to, or any other system, but we're just using Google Sheet today for demonstration purposes. And we are referencing the order number of the customer, and we're matching it against the order number column. And we are then writing these columns in the Google Sheet, which is the new delivery date and the new delivery time slot. And of course we have our credentials here, which we connect. You just create a new credential and you connect to your Google account for Grace to be able to communicate with your Google Sheet, and we save that connector. Next, we go into the playbook. So as you can see here, we have created a playbook right here. We go into the playbook tab in our sidebar and we create a new playbook. And as you can see here, we have the start page with the intro script where we have then customized the message for the person she is calling up. So hi name, because we have all this information in the sheet right here and we have stored them in these tags. So hi name, hashtag, we use the hashtag and then the tag afterwards. Hi Sebastian, we see that regarding to order for items, we have the items stored up and order number and date we failed to deliver. And we use the same tag here as the column name, because Grace will reference the order number and she will take the whole row and fill that out. So this is one customer, second customer, third customer, and she will take that all information from that row referencing the order number. So we're using the same column names here as tags using the hashtag. And then we are asking the customer, would you like to schedule a new time? And if yes, then we go to this questionnaire. The first is we ask which date would fit you best, this or next week. And we have the type as date. And we have set it in a tag as new delivery date, which is important that it's the same as we are writing here. We're writing the new delivery date to the new delivery date column inside here. And we also then asking for time slots, which we have made it a multiple choice, because we always have, we have certain time slots. We have morning, afternoon, late afternoon, and evening, 4 time slots. So we made it multiple choice. And then we ask the customer which one they would like. They answer this. We write it to the new delivery slot tag. And once we finished, we run the connector which we created here. We run it here and we save that data to these columns, and we then confirm with the customer this is the new delivery date and slot. And just to show you quickly the call flow, it's a simple call flow setup. We have our inlet, which we have bot number, and we are connected to a bot, which we have a pre-created our bot, put in our playbook, and we're ending it right there. So if you would like more information on how to create the call flow and the bot, you can go into our Grace one-on-one video on YouTube. Now that we have everything set up, we would like to then create our auto-dialer campaign, the outbound campaign for Grace. Now we go into our auto-dialer right here, and we create a new campaign. We call this field delivery callback, and we select the call flow we created, Scott's Furniture, and we date range we would like her from Tuesday to Friday, and concurrent calls. The max amount we can do at this moment is 20, and we would like her to try 3 times before she gives up, and a retry delay of, let's say, 3 hours. The call time windows we can choose here. We can also import the time zone, and yeah, US Canada Pacific time sounds good. And we will Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to, let's say, we can extend it to 7 p.m. So she will try to call them from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. Once you have filled in all the information, you create the auto campaign. Now we need to upload the list of callers, and this we do using a CSV file. Now usually in CRMs you can export your list of callers or any list of callers, custom callers, to a CSV, and you can upload it there. But since we're using Google Sheet, we're going to do it there. So we go into a Google Sheet and we go File and we download it, and we download it as a CSV. So we upload the CSV by clicking this button, and it will open File Explorer, and we will find the document there and upload it. So now you can see I've uploaded our CSV with all our customers. And what I need to do then to finish up, I need to reference for Grace need the phone numbers of the contacts, and I need to choose the phone number column. And I choose this manually by going here, and I choose the phone column, which is the phones she will use to call up the customers. Everything else looks good at the moment. Seems like our data got uploaded correctly. And you see a check mark down here where we can ignore invalid rows, which means basically she will ignore any rows that contains invalid information, and she will upload it without those rows. Now we import it, and our import was successful. So now we see we have our auto-dialer campaign set up. Everything's ready. So now we will start our campaign, and I will soon get a call from Grace asking for a new delivery time for my items. Oh, and she's calling me up right now.
Sebastian, this is Grace from Scott's Furniture. I'm calling regarding your recent order for sofa coffee table with the order number 1001. We attempted to deliver your order on July 7th, 2024, but unfortunately, we could not complete the delivery. We want to schedule a new delivery time that works best for you. Would you like to choose a new delivery time?
I'm really sorry about that. I was away. Of course, yeah, I'd love to schedule a new time.
Great. What date this or next week would work best for you?
How about next week, Monday, the 22nd of July?
I have that as coming Monday, July 22nd. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And what time slot would work best for you? The slots are morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., afternoon 12 p.m. to 3 p.m., late afternoon 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., or evening 6 p.m. to 9 p.m.
I think late afternoon would be good.
Thank you. We have scheduled your delivery on this coming Monday, July 22nd at late afternoon, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. If you need to make any changes, please contact our customer service. Thank you for your time and have a great day.
So now let's check our sheet if she got the information inside. And yeah, she does updated with the new delivery time for 22nd of July, Monday, and late afternoon time slot. So as you can see in the example there, she was able to schedule a time with me, the customer, and set it in our Google Sheet. Now, of course, in our showcase right here, we're using Google Sheet as for example purposes, but this also works with any other CRM that you would like to set it up with. This was an example of an outbound bot, but you can also use it for an inbound bot for if the customers would like to check the tracking, information about the product, how it's going, and then again setting up a new time if they can't make it to the appointed time. Now, if you have any questions about setup today, please feel free to leave a comment. We'll answer any questions you have there. And if you'd like a setup like this yourself, you can always send us a mail at inquiries@greatspace.com. Now, I hope this was helpful for you and also showcasing what's possible in Grace. Thank you for watching.